Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research in how to find success in affiliate marketing for beginners. Well, you're in the right place, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to be telling you exactly how you can find success in affiliate marketing. This YouTube channel is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing or looking to find success in their own affiliate marketing business. So click the subscribe button down below and the little bell, and don't miss out on any new videos. They're uploaded weekly. Let's grow this channel as big as we can, help as many people as we can. And if you need to or want to get some great results in your affiliate marketing business, click the link in the description directly below the video and get access to my 4-day free video training series. Some great tips and strategies in there, how to get started in affiliate marketing and put you on the road to success. So, how do you get success in affiliate marketing if you're a beginner? First thing you need to do is to make sure the product you're promoting is a good product. You need to make sure that the product is actually going to solve the problem that your customer or your visitor is searching for. And the other reason you need it to be a good product, because if it's a crappy product, the customer is only going to return it, get a refund, and you don't get paid a commission. So that's not what you want. And you certainly don't want to get a reputation for promoting bad, poor quality products. And now, how do you find out if it's a good product or not? Now, there are plenty of methods of research you can do, YouTube videos, Google searches, but the best method of finding out if a product is any good is to actually use the product to see what it does, what results you can get, how it's going to benefit your customers. That way you are a product of the product, and you can sell it, promote it with total confidence, and that really is quite important. Next thing you want to do is build your list. Now, in the course of your research into getting started in affiliate marketing, you probably come across this term, your list. Now, the list is actually one of the most important business assets that you will have. It refers to the list of email addresses of people who have opted into your sales process. Now, how do you get someone to opt into your, it's called a sales funnel. How do you get someone to opt into that? A sales funnel, by the way, is just an industry term to describe the process that your visitor will go through from discovering you online all the way through to making a sale and becoming a customer. So how do you get someone to opt in? Now, when someone lands or sees your advertising promotional material, clicks on the link within that advertising material, they're taken to the front door of your business. Now, this is known as a landing page. That page has really got one purpose, and that is to get the visitor to give you their email address. And you do this by offering them something for free in return for the email address. Now, this can be something like an ebook, a report, a PDF, a blueprint, or a free training series, as long as it is relevant to what the visitor was searching for in the first place. And you need to make this as enticing as possible, so when the visitor is there at the front door of your business, they want to see what's on the other side, and they want to give you their email address so they can find out what it is you have to offer. So when someone opts into your sales funnel, the worst thing you can do is to then bombard them with email after email, sending them directly to the sales page of the product that you're promoting. Believe me, this will turn people off faster than anything. And I mean, it may have worked 10, 15 years ago, but people's buying habits have changed now. So the phase that you're in here is probably one of the most important phases, because this is where you get the chance to build a rapport, build a relationship with the visitor. And you do this in a series of emails. These emails need to contain useful information or training. Always share information or teach or train them on the subject that they were searching for in the first place. This shows you as being the expert on the subject, and it allows you to get the customer to know you, to like you, and more importantly, to trust you, because someone is less likely to buy from you if they don't trust you. So building trust is super important. It's perfectly okay in these emails to gently point the viewer in the direction of the product you're promoting, but it always needs to be their decision. It shouldn't be a hard sell or any pressure to get them to visit the sales page. It should always be their decision, and they will buy when they are ready to buy. And when you finally built that trust with the customer, and hopefully they've bought the product, and more importantly got the results that they were looking for, they'll only be too happy to buy off you in the future if you have anything else to offer as a complementary product. To help you find success quicker, the best thing to do is to find a mentor on a training course that will teach you the skills you need to build your business and to learn those skills step by step. It's not a good idea to try and do it all yourself by watching YouTube videos, because you will not get the whole picture from watching a series of videos on YouTube from different people who all have different ideas on how the process works. And all it's going to do is give you information overload. You'll be overwhelmed, and you won't find success because you'll be implementing the wrong systems. So a mentor is not just someone that delivers the training course, and this is quite important. It's not someone that just delivers the course and says you do this, you do that. A mentor is someone who is going to be there for you to give support after the training has been delivered. Someone that when things are not going quite right, or you may hit a bit of a problem, someone that can give you help and support and help you to get round or over a problem. Well, all this leads me neatly onto what I mentioned at the start of this video. Now, I have a free 4-day training series which is designed to get you some great success in your affiliate marketing business, and you can access this by clicking the link in the description directly below this video. Love to see you in there. It's 4 videos to get you on the road to success, help you to find a product to promote, get you to stand out from the crowd, and a master plan of how to move forward. I'd love to see you in there. I say click the link in the description. And don't forget, also click the subscribe button down below and don't miss out on any new videos. And by all means, leave me a comment in the box below. Some feedback's really useful. Any other subjects you want me to cover in affiliate marketing, I'd love to hear from you. Only too happy to oblige. So I hope you've got some value from all that today. A couple of thumbs up would be brilliant if you don't mind. Share this video as well. But it's been good to talk to you today. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.